Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the floor plan. 74 feet 3 inch by 34 feet 6 inches. Total plot area is 2562 square feet and built up area is 702 square feet in the ground floor. So this is 2 BHK in the ground floor and another 2 BHK on the first floor. Total 4 bedroom house plan. So in the northeast corner, car parking is available in the size of 23 feet 6 inch by 16 feet 6 inches. Usually, the northeast corner, leaving the space much is good as per Vastu, and in the southeast corner, there is a lift. This is fire area, so keeping lift is good. So in the lift is in the size of 6 feet by 6 feet 6 inches, and opposite that, in the southern side, lift staircase is available. And then actually this is the northeast of North Road and east facing house plan. So main door is kept in the northeast of east side. So while entering the main door, there is a living room cum dining area and size of 23 feet by 8 feet. Sofa and TV placement are kept in the drawing, and also a dining table also shown. In southeast of southern part, 11 kitchen is available. The size of 11 feet by 9 and a half. For both the bedroom, there is a common toilet. The size of 5 feet by 9 feet 6 inches, and commode we kept in the southern side. As per Vastu, we can keep the commode either in the south side or the north side, facing south or north. And shower is kept in the west wall. So here the southwest corner there is a master bedroom, the size of 17 feet by 9 feet 6 inches, and wardrobe is in the west wall. There's a southwest corner and bed kept in the south part. Head usually we can keep head facing on the south or east side. So here we kept the bed in the south side. And also in the northeast corner, kids bedroom is available. The size of 11 by 8. Here also same bed is in the south side. So I going to the first floor. First floor main door is facing south side, southeast of south. There also same lift and staircase continuing. And living room and dining is coming in the northeast corner. In the size of 22 feet 6 inch by 15 feet 9 inches. In the center, that is a lengthy lobby in the size of 24 feet 3 inch by 3 feet 6 inches. And the southeast of south kitchen is available 8 feet by 9 feet 6 inches. Opposite kitchen, that's a parent's bedroom 8 by 9. Here, two common toilet and one attached toilet is available. Two common toilet sizes 3 feet 9 inch by 9 feet 6 inch for 9 feet 6 inch, and another toilet is 3 feet 9 inch by 9 feet 9 inch 9 feet. And the master bedroom same like ground floor, and the size of 17 feet by 9 feet 6 inches with attached toilet 4 feet by 9 feet 6 inches. And then kids bedroom is available in the northern side, 10 feet by 10 feet 3 inch by 9 feet. And in the northwest corner there is a study room 11 feet by 13 feet. And master bedroom is attached with balcony. Balcony size is 4 feet 6 inch by 23 feet 6 inches. So this is G+1 North Road east facing house plan. East and south facing. First floor south facing house is there. So if you like this plan, please like, comment, and share it. Also subscribe our channel. For more house plans like this, you can check out our website houseplans and houseplansdiary.com and houseplans.world. Also, our app is available in the Google Play Store. House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plan Nest and Design Nest apps. Thanks for watching.